Let us note it, let us capitulate to it. Nothing remains as constant as change. Amid the flux of unexpected events, one inevitable fact remains. We learn from the past. From Salk's spectacular conquest of polio with his heralded vaccine, to Dr. Christian Barnard's first mind-boggling heart transplant with the aid of rejection-suppressing drugs, to the miracle of test tube babies, to the previously unfathomable gene-splicing discoveries of the 1990s. But shortcuts, mistakes, and inadequate testing procedures have had, from time to time, nefarious consequences for this much-maligned industry. And as a result of these occasional setbacks, federal regulation grows ever larger, more complex, more daunting, and last but not least, more expensive for our purveyors of cures. The Farquad Pharmaceutical Incorporated facility in Red Bank, New Jersey, is an example of a company who suffered a near mortal wound as a result of shortcomings revealed in an FDA investigation. Farquad found themselves in a precarious position because of the company's negligence in its QC laboratory and documentation practices. The company's improper testing and failure to document testing procedures resulted in multi-million-dollar fines and forced the company into a consent decree which demanded that corrective measures be taken. The Farquad decision has shaken up the industry. How did this happen? Specifically, Farquad's transgressions included improper failures investigation and retesting, lack of formal written retesting procedures, irregular content uniformity testing, blended samples, and the exclusion of failed batches. PINN News has acquired secret documentary footage from the labs of Farquad, revealing just how lax the company was in its testing procedure. A cautionary warning. What you will see may shock you.
Having trouble with this one, Mike.
You haven't been here very long, have you?
2 months.
Yeah, promise there's nothing new around here.
Guess I'll just have to reject this batch.
Not so fast. Is that the sheet it's on?
Yeah.
Write down test number 2. Test it again. Well.
This one's okay.
All right, write it down. Now take the average. Does it pass?
Yeah.
See how easy that was?
Okay.
Joining us today from Washington, D.C. via satellite is FDA investigator Ms. Paula Peterson to comment about the Farquad decision. Good morning, Ms. Peterson, and thanks for being with us today.
Good morning to you, Walter.
Ms. Peterson, let's talk about the Farquad decision.